Today marks a significant day for the Pi network community. The Pi core team has just released a major update to the Pi App Studio. This is not a small tweak or a minor bug fix. This is a fundamental reimagining of how applications are built and supported on the Pi platform. The update introduces 4 powerful new features. These are designed to lower the barrier to entry for creators and increase engagement for all pioneers. The changes are substantial. They will likely shape the direction of the Pi ecosystem for years to come. Developers, everyday users, direct access, artificial intelligence tools, AI Copilot, new staking hub, UI/UX overhaul. Each component works together to create a more integrated experience. Direct access removes complex steps. AI tools Copilot non-coders, staking adds an economic layer, and improved UI makes everything intuitive. This is a clear signal from the Pi core team. They mean business, building a robust, decentralized app ecosystem. The first major change is perhaps the simplest, yet most impactful. The Pi App Studio is now directly accessible from within the main Pi app. Before this update, getting started was a journey. Go to the developer portal, create an account, then link it to your Pi app. This friction, however small, kept some potential creators on the sidelines. Now, that barrier is gone. Inside the Pi browser, a new prominent App Studio button takes you directly into the environment. Your Pi identity is carried over. No extra logins. Every pioneer is a potential developer. The studio is now an open workshop, inviting everyone to see what tools are available. Open Pi browser, tap App Studio. You're in the dashboard. Start a project, explore tutorials, access the AI Copilot. When it takes 2 taps to start building, people experiment more, even if they're not sure yet. Like a public park opening a free workshop, simple and complex builds flourish. Direct access opens the doors wide for creativity. The most groundbreaking feature in this update is the new AI Copilot, an artificial intelligence assistant built directly into the App Studio. It helps at every stage: design, code, and debug. This is not just a simple chatbot. It understands plain language. It can generate code, design user interfaces, and help debug problems. Imagine a simple polling app for your community group. In the past, you'd need JavaScript, a server, and a database. With Copilot, simply describe your idea. Create an app where users vote on one of 3 options. Then say, show the results as a bar chart after voting. The AI generates basic code and a live layout. Say, add a button that says Submit Vote. The AI adds it. Say, when clicked, save the vote and prevent voting again. The logic appears. Programming becomes a simple dialogue, revolutionary for many. It empowers artists, community organizers, small business owners, anyone with a good idea. It augments skilled developers, generates boilerplate, handles repetitive tasks, suggests optimizations. For most pioneers, Copilot unlocks a previously closed door. It is true democratization of technology development. The third major addition to the Pi App Studio is the staking hub. Staking is locking up a certain amount of your Pi to support a specific application, like a vote of confidence. It creates a direct financial link between users and creators. When you stake, you are not spending it. The Pi is still yours, temporarily locked. Creators and stakers can receive rewards, a new revenue stream to fund development, servers, and growth. An alternative to ads or subscriptions that can harm user experience. Users put Pi to work. Promising apps can earn supporters a share of rewards. Good apps attract more stakers. More stakers fuel creators. Creators improve apps. A virtuous cycle. A decentralized venture capital system. Every pioneer can back projects they believe in. It aligns the incentives of developers and users. This could fuel a Cambrian explosion of innovation on Pi. Using the new staking hub to support your favorite apps is straightforward. Identify an app you believe in. Discover via the Pi browser main page or community recommendations. On the app page, tap the new Support This App or Stake button. Review the project, its development team, and current staking statistics. Decide how much Pi to stake. Use the slider or input the amount. See estimated rewards based on current rates. Confirm the transaction after reviewing amount and lockup period. Authorize with your wallet passphrase. Only you control your funds. Your Pi is staked. Monitor in My Stakes and track rewards. Do your research, read the description, check the team, look for an active community. Start with small amounts to learn the system. Use it wisely to help top ideas rise while earning rewards. Beyond features, Pi App Studio and parts of Pi Browser got a significant UI/UX overhaul. Cleaner, more intuitive, more enjoyable. A modern aesthetic, logical navigation, and helpful visual cues address clutter and confusion. You're greeted by a clean dashboard with clear primary actions. Icons, consistent color schemes, and generous spacing make scanning effortless. Menus are reorganized. Project tools are grouped where you need them. The app builder is more visual. Live preview on the right, AI Copilot and File Explorer on the left. Any change, by code or by asking AI, updates instantly. It's like sculpting with digital clay. The result: lower cognitive load for beginners, faster workflows for experts. People return to great tools. With powerful tools and economic incentives, it's more important than ever to be mindful of safety and security. Anyone can create an app. Innovation thrives, but malicious apps can appear. The core team has safeguards, but your first defense is caution. Review permission requests carefully. Username or Pi payments prompts must make sense. A simple puzzle game shouldn't need wallet history. Before staking, research projects. Transparent teams, clear roadmaps, active communities. Avoid unrealistic reward promises and urgency pressure. Diversify stakes. Watch for phishing and impersonators. Only use the official Pi Browser ecosystem. Never enter your passphrase outside the official Pi wallet. The Pi core team will never ask. Stay vigilant. The October 2025 update to the Pi App Studio is a landmark moment. It transforms Pi from a social blockchain project into a true creative ecosystem. With direct access, an AI Copilot, a staking hub, and a polished interface, the suite is comprehensive. These features work in harmony to empower every pioneer. Idea to application has never been shorter. Build with concepts and conversation, not just code. Supporters can use Pi meaningfully, participate in growth, and earn rewards. Quality is rewarded. Innovation benefits everyone. This is an open invitation. Move beyond accumulating Pi. Start building or support projects and share in their success. Expect a surge of utilities, complex games, and ideas we haven't imagined. The studio is a workshop for dreamers, a canvas for artists, a launchpad for entrepreneurs. Open the Pi browser, explore the new App Studio, and consider the role you can play.